अहिंसा ध्यान योगस्य रागादीनां विनिग्रह साधर्मिकानुरागस्य सारमेव तत् जिनागमः। हमारे ऋषि मुनियों ने गागर में सागर जैसा बहुत ही महत्व का उपदेश यह एक छोटे श्लोक में दे दिया है। कहा है कि अहिंसा, ध्यान योग, राग द्वेष को कम करना और अपने साधर्मिक बंधुओं प्रत्ये अनुराग करना, यह जिनागम का सार है, जिसमें पहला नंबर उन्होंने अहिंसा को दिया है। जिस देश के अंदर प्रभु महावीर ने जन्म लिया था, जिन्होंने अहिंसा का संदेश पूरा विश्व को दिया था, वही देश में आज एक दिन के अंदर लाखों पशुओं की कत्ल हो रही है और उसमें भी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मीट एक्सपोर्ट करने के लिए पशुओं की कत्ल हो रही है। इस देश का संविधान मना कर रहा है, बट द प्रेजेंट सिनारियो ऑफ लॉ सिस्टम हैज प्रूव्ड टू बी अ मोस्ट क्रूअल जोक, बिकॉज इफ यू बीट एन एनिमल it amounts to cruelty under the Prevention of Cruelties to Animals Act 1960. But if you slaughter the animal, then government gives you n number of subsidies, tax exemption, as well as red carpet felicitation by giving number of bank loans, etc. This meat export policy is not only illegal, but it is unconstitutional also, because it violates many constitutional provisions. Number one is, it violates Article 19(1)(g) by snatching away employment of lakhs of people dependent on cattle related activities. It violates Article 39(b) and 39(c) by concentrating means of production and concentration of wealth in few hands. It violates Article 47 by making agricultural costly food grains unaffordable and depriving nutrition to large masses. It violates Article 48 also by encouraging large-scale slaughter instead of preserving and improving the breed of animals in scientific manner. It violates Article 48A also by destroying sheep, which alone helps in natural growth of forests and by disturbing ecological balance due to depleted cattle. Lastly, it violates Article 51A by spreading violence in place of compassion. Only even in case of Devnar, in chapter 4 of market rules, it is very clearly stated that Devnar can slaughter only for the need of local people, that is from Daisar to Mulund. But Devnar is exporting more than 25% of its slaughters. See, in last so many years, more than 10 crores cattle has been slaughtered, of which 25% of cattle has been exported from Devnar. Devnar is making loss of 6 to 7 crores a year. It is a service unit. It has accumulated more than 100 crores of rupees of loss, which is a money of tax-paying citizen who do not want this illegal slaughter to be admitted. Hence, we request you to support the Rajya Sabha petition of Acharya Bhagwant Jainacharya Sri Ratnasundar Sureshwarji Maharaja by supporting this issue, and give your click on RSC2 numeric 2 PET@sansad.nic.in. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Gau Mata, Jai Jinendra.